video today, I'm going to show you on how you can trade on MEXC exchange with $5 only, and you can take your $5 to $100, from $100 to $1,000 as a beginner. You don't even need to be a pro crypto trader, but I'm going to show you a simple strategy in this video. So before we start, make sure you have a verified MEXC exchange, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. As you can see, our goal is for you to turn this channel from 240 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. Shout out to everyone who have already subscribed to this channel, right? And also check on this video description. You are going to see our official Telegram group. As you can see over right here, we also offered our forex trading board, and we also offer our crypto trading board, which you can see the testimonial over right here, how people who have been using this crypto trading board how making profit every day. So you can see over right here. So this is also the forex trading board. So as you can see over right here, so this forex trading board or the crypto trading board is going to trade for you if you are a kind of person that don't have chance of you opening trade by yourself. So this forex and crypto trading board is going to do everything for you. So how do you get this crypto trading board? Is for you to join this channel, then you write admin. Admin is going to tell you what to do in other way for you to get this crypto trading board. And also, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you guys how you would turn your initial $5 deposit to $200, even to $1,000. So the only thing I want you guys to do for me is for you guys to comment on this video. I'm interested. Trust me, once this video gets to 500 views to 1,000 views, I'm going to drop the full videos, and you are going to walk away with clear understanding. Guys, this is just simple.